Hello and welcome to AudioCodes Training Academy. This video tutorial demonstrates how to perform a firmware upgrade on AudioCodes Mediant family session border controllers. To access the software downloads, navigate to the AudioCodes website and hover over Services and Support. From the drop-down menu, select Software Downloads. The Services portal page will appear. You will need login credentials for the AudioCodes Services portal to obtain the device firmware. If you don't have an account, click Create a User Account. The Services portal account registration page appear. Fill out the registration form and click Submit. It may take 1 to 2 business days for AudioCodes to validate your information and activate your account. Once your account is activated, you will receive an email notification. You can then log into the website. Your name will appear at the top of the web page once you're logged in. On the Software Downloads page, use the Filter by Product drop-down menu to select the relevant product. In this case it is SBC and Media Gateways. Scroll down to find the specific product type. For this example, we will use SBC in Media Gateways, Mediant 800. The web page SBC and Media Gateways, Mediant 800 will then display the available firmware versions for the Mediant 800. Locate the desired firmware version. In this example we select 7.4/600 latest release. Click the link to begin the download process. A new window, Files from Download Software at AudioCodes will appear. Select all, accept the terms and conditions and click the Download button. Save this file to your PC. Make sure you know where the file is saved, as you'll need to locate it later. Connect to the AudioCodes device you are upgrading and log in with your username and password. Before starting the upgrade, it's important to save the current configuration running in RAM to flash memory by clicking the Save button. It's also a good idea to back up this configuration file to your PC. Now you are ready to upgrade the device. Select Software Upgrade Wizard from the Device Actions drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can access this by navigating to Setup, then Administration. Then Maintenance in the navigation bar and then selecting Software Upgrade in the navigation tree. Click the Start Software Upgrade button. The Software Upgrade Wizard window will appear. Click the Choose File button to navigate to the location of the downloaded firmware file on your PC. AudioCodes device operating software file names include the product type, firmware version, major and minor fixes, and end with the .cmp suffix. Click the Load File button to upload the firmware to the device's flash memory. Notice the several steps listed in the Software Upgrade Wizard. If additional files need to be loaded, click the Next button at the bottom of the page and follow the instructions for each stage of the wizard. If you're only changing the firmware, click the Restart button. The device will then apply the new firmware along with the existing configuration and auxiliary files. This process can take 4 or more minutes, depending on the device. Once the automated process is complete, click End Process to close the wizard and log back into the device. Depending on the firmware version, you may get a pop-up indicating that the firmware level has changed. You can also verify this by checking the firmware version field on the device's monitor page. That's it. Thank you for watching.